Struggling to stay motivated for tough tasks? What if you could train your brain to crave the challenge? Today, we're diving into simple strategies that can help you turn hard tasks into something your brain actually enjoys. You've heard it before. Push through the discomfort. But what if the discomfort could turn into excitement? Imagine tackling a challenge and actually looking forward to it. Let's explore how you can make that happen. First, let's talk about rewiring your brain. Our brains are wired to avoid pain, but with practice, you can teach it to associate hard tasks with rewards. Start small. Begin with manageable challenges and slowly increase difficulty. This helps release dopamine, the feel-good hormone, which makes you crave the task more and more. Next, visualize the benefits. Instead of focusing on the effort, picture the success that comes with completing the task. Whether it's achieving a goal, mastering a new skill, or reaping the rewards, this shift in perspective makes a huge difference. Finally, embrace the power of consistency. The more you do hard things, the easier it becomes. It's like building a muscle. The more you train, the stronger you get. Ready to rewire your brain? Start today with small, tough tasks and gradually increase the challenge. Over time, you'll notice that your brain will start craving those hard tasks. So, what's your first tough challenge? Comment below. Ready to rewire your brain? Start today with small, tough tasks and gradually increase the challenge. Over time, you'll notice that your brain will start craving those hard tasks. So, what's your first tough challenge? Comment below.